Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace brake pads on a Toyota Yaris. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a jack stands, a lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands before you begin any work. Proper brake maintenance is crucial for your safety and the performance of your vehicle. Once your vehicle is safely secured, begin by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you're working on. Then, raise the car and completely remove the wheel. Next, locate the two caliper bolts, usually found on the back of the caliper, and remove them. With the bolts out, you can carefully slide the caliper off and then remove the old brake pads. Before installing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing. You can use a C-clamp or a specialized brake caliper tool for this. Once the piston is retracted, insert your new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly. Finally, slide the caliper back over the rotor, reinsert the two caliper bolts, and tighten them securely. With the new pads and caliper in place, reinstall the wheel and lower your vehicle. Tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to ensure the caliper piston is properly reset and the pedal feels firm. Take a short, slow test drive to confirm everything is working correctly. And remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.